What you're looking at here is our SharePoint Online demo environment. We have an archive site that we've created that has a mix of documentation, imagery, videos, all of the typical formats that you would expect within a SharePoint environment. So if I actually click into the document library, you can see we've got these different folders here that has all of the different content in. So if I click into one of these folders, you can see we've got 3 PDF files, and notice that the file sizes are 1 meg here, 638 KB here. And then at the bottom, we've got 3 different looking documents. Now you'll see at the end that it has .docx and .url. So these are basically files that have been archived by our platform, and you can see the actual size of the files are reduced drastically. So there's 609 bytes in this instance. Now this specific document is actually a PDF, so you can see that here in the name of the title. But when I actually click on it as an end user, what's going to happen is it's going to take them to recenter. And it gives them the ability to actually restore documents directly from SharePoint. So when I click on this restore button, I get an option of restoring it to the original location in SharePoint, or I can actually restore it back to a different location if I wanted to. Typically, most users put it back to where it was before. And when they click that, what's going to happen is they're going to get a status bar that shows up here. And then when it's finished, it will get to 100%, and it will actually tell the user that this document has now been restored. And basically what will happen is this HTML link here will actually revert back to the original PDF file. So it will have the PDF icon, and the user can then go and use the document as they were before. It allows end users to actually get the document that they need, restore it very quickly, but it also allows organizations to take control of their SharePoint environment from a size perspective, because a lot of organizations that we speak to, they're using SharePoint Online as their document library system, and they're actually burning through their allotted allowance from Microsoft and having to pay for premium storage. So by using an archiving platform, it allows you to actually take control of your environment from a storage perspective, actually archive off documents so that end users can still access them. They can still see them in SharePoint in their original location, but you're actually reducing your overall storage footprint and obviously saving on those Microsoft costs.